Hello everyone, it's 𝐓𝐢𝐩𝐤, the rooftop farmer and pig city farm in Kenred Center. Our biggest challenge with farming on the rooftop or the tunnels, because it's hot and it's always humid, we have aphids. So the best way to eradicate aphids, we use organic stuff. So this is what we're going to use, these ingredients. You can come a little bit closer so you can see the aphids. It's very important that we always spray with the spray that I'm going to show you now, so this can be eradicated. So this is 1.5 liters, and we're going to use sunlight liquid 7.5 mils, and vinegar. It can be white vinegar or brown vinegar. We are going to use 15 grams. Basically, that's all you do. And then you just pump your cotton spray and spray directly onto the aphids. Because tomorrow is harvest day and this is natural ingredients, it doesn't cause any problems. Tomorrow morning we're going to harvest still. Thank you for watching.